relays on a furnace control board act as electrically driven switches that control power delivery to motors and other high-voltage components. Relays receive a low-voltage control signal from the thermostat circuit and use that signal to close or open a high-voltage circuit that powers fans, burners, or the compressor. Technically, a relay contains a coil and one or more contacts. When the coil is energized, the contacts move from open to closed or vice versa. When checking a relay, start by confirming the low voltage control is present using a multimeter and then verify the high voltage side is switching appropriately while the unit is operating. If a blower or inducer motor does not start but the control board is sending the relay signal, measure for continuity across the relay contacts with the coil energized. A lack of continuity means the contacts are welded or worn. Replace the relay with one that matches the voltage, current rating, and contact configuration specified by the furnace manufacturer, and always disconnect power before swapping components. For intermittent relay operation, inspect the coil and board for heat damage. Test the coil resistance against the specification, and check for loose connectors that can cause arcing. The most common issue is welded or pitted contacts causing a motor to never stop or never start, and that is fixed by replacing the relay with a correct rated unit. Another frequent problem is a failed coil, where the relay will not activate, even though the control circuit sends voltage, so confirm low voltage presence, then replace the relay if the coil shows open circuit. Finally, bad wiring or corroded terminals can create intermittent operation, and the practical fix is to clean or crimp terminals, secure connections, and replace any damaged wiring. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare services relevant to furnace electrical components and repairs. We also help contractors find work and connect with customers, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share tips and troubleshooting advice.